the fourth section in chapter 5 is embodiment concept is iterative. The preparation and fulfillment concept, which I referred to earlier, or what I call is the embodiment concept, the preparation and fulfillment, doesn't occur in isolation. I mean, you can distill it down to one particular place, whether it be like baptism in Holy Ghost or a parent and a child, but each child has the potential to grow up and become a parent and then have children themselves. And those two iterations together form what we're talking about as one relationship, one like preparation and fulfillment is a single iteration of a larger macrocosm or a larger fractal. Does that make sense? So that's what I'm trying desperately to say here. So each fulfilled iteration is in a way the preparation for a secondary or higher iteration's fulfillment. So in this way, the two-part principle can be iterative and a perfect building block for a fractal. So yeah, that's exactly. So the preparation and fulfillment concept we talked about earlier is the building block that can be strung together, and that relationship of those those preparation and fulfillment sections, as that relationship of those preparations and fulfillments is what we're talking about when we talk about fractals. And therefore, that's why history would repeat itself, because it's successive preparation and fulfillments, and human beings follow predictable processes, and no wonder history would repeat itself in replicable patterns, because they're built on the same building blocks. So, more examples. Parents and children, as we said earlier. As a child is the fulfillment of its parent, once that child grows up, it creates another child, and therefore has become the preparation for the fulfillment of its own child. More in science, experimentation leads to data. As a scientist considers the data's impact on his initial hypothesis, it gives rise to a new, improved hypothesis. One hypothesis becomes the preparation of the fulfilling second, and so it continues. So, yeah. I think it's starting to get clear. It seems clear to me as I discuss it. But who knows? If you have questions about this, please write them down below. Lambast me if you say, oh, please, we need more examples. But otherwise, hopefully this is getting clearer. It's so fundamental that it's can be confusing, I think.